quick unboxing video for Harbor Freight's Hercules drywall screwdriver and the collated screw gun attachment. So I'm just unboxing them now, and then I'll do a little review after, once I get some screws for it. This is mostly so you can see what's in there. The screw gun, I think they've had it for a while. It's just this collated screwdriver that I'm iffy on. So here's what's in the box. That's a belt clip. That's the gun itself. It's got a reasonable amount of heft to it. Yes, you can still reach the trigger when you're holding it properly. Comes with a little instruction book. It's Harbor Freight. This I thought was really pushing the limits of what Harbor Freight could do well, so I'm concerned. So I checked out how long you can return this thing, because these, if you're familiar with them, there's a little bit going on. And if things aren't all working well, if the bit isn't in good shape, and you'll notice there's no spare bits. Compare that to something like Hitachi. Anyway, which comes with spare bits. So there's a lot going on with this, and if things aren't just right, it jams a lot. So I was iffy on that. I'm not even giving you the model number of it because, well, there's the box. They only sell one. And same deal with this, they only sell one. And yes, it's tool only. You need to get the battery and the charger. So this was $69, and this was $49. And that's significantly cheaper than any other collated screw gun. Significantly. I think even Vevor is close, and Vevor gets shit reviews. So something to watch for. There's the instruction booklet. I'm tempted to say that looks like the nose for it. And this has got a couple of bits. Two bits. Better than one. It's got a little bit of heft to it. Yeah, a bit. So it doesn't feel like total crap. I thought that was the nose, but it's kind of on there. It feels smooth. Feels like it'll do what it's got to do. Somebody complained that this has to be aligned. No, it's more that the cone has to be aligned in order to get back on the head. It feels substantial enough. I'm looking for the adjustment points. This should be, yeah. So this is to adjust this. And you would set this, usually it's labeled. Is it labeled? Yep. Well, it's embossed on the screw sizes. So you set the screw size here. Now there should be something to set the depth. Oh, bingo. Yeah, it's like a thumb wheel. It's got maybe not a lot of clicks in it. Well, no, it's got a fair share. No indicator of where the, I'm guessing this is an unlock, this button is an unlock. No indicator of, you know, usually there's some kind of little indicator to indicate where you are on the up and down of how far it's going to be seated into the rock. Anyway, so much for the unboxing. It seems like a reasonable product. Comes with 2 extra bits. The gun itself seems hefty enough. As soon as I get some screws, I'll do a review.